Do we have laundry facilities at Woodfarm Barns that you can use? Yes, we do. If you're staying for a longer period and you need to use a washing machine or dryer or anything like that, yes, we can do that for you because we won't do it for you. We'll show you where the not that nice, but we will show you where we have our washing machines and dryers and what have you, and you're more than welcome to use them. So yes, we do have washing machines that you can use at Woodfarm Barns. We don't have them aboard the barges, I'm afraid, but we do at Woodfarm Barns. Well, there you go. Hope you found that helpful, and I hope you found it interesting. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. And also, please ask any questions or just tell us what you think in the comments of this video, and ask if you'd like to see any other videos on anything that we haven't covered, but we're trying to cover as much as we possibly can. Also, subscribe to the newsletters on our website by going down on the homepage, down to the bottom, enter your details, and that way I can let you know about any last minute availability if we have it, any cancellations, competitions, that sort of thing, special offers and what have you. And please do follow us on social media as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.